Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about allspice and what in the world this spice really is. It is not a blend of a variety of warm spices, although it actually tastes like it is. But it's really one type of berry that's been dried, and you can buy the berry whole or you can usually find it ground. It is native to Jamaica, and it's in the myrtle family. In Jamaica, it's known as the Jamaican pepper and also new spice, and it was discovered by Christopher Columbus during one of his trips to the New World. Allspice berries are harvested when they're green and unripe. They're briefly fermented, then they're dried, and that makes them turn a reddish brown. Now, I don't have any dried berries here, but I do have a jar of ground allspice, and you can see that it has kind of a brownish tint to it, brownish reddish tint to it. It almost looks like cinnamon or ground nutmeg, almost, but it's along those lines. And it does have a warm spice flavor similar to a blend of cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and even black pepper. And it's been described as being sweet with hot, pungent, spicy notes of black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, cumin, mace, and or nutmeg. I enjoy allspice on a regular basis on oatmeal. It's just something a little bit different. I even like it on winter squash that's been cooked or roasted, and it just adds a nice flavor, like it's a blend of the spices that we've talked about, the cinnamon and the cloves and the nutmeg and so forth. You can even use it as a substitute for those warm spices. Let's say you don't have enough cinnamon or you don't have any nutmeg on hand to finish up a recipe. You could use allspice in place of that, and you can use it in desserts, in side dishes, main dishes, beverages, and even in hot cider and mulled wine, something like that. It's used a lot in Caribbean dishes, and especially those in Jamaica, and also Middle Eastern dishes and Latin American cuisine as well. And it's a really key ingredient in Jamaican jerk chicken. So if you haven't tried that out and you want to give that a try it, and you'll get a good taste of allspice in that. Well, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.